The U.S. is dependent on satellites as vital connectors in today's world, relaying navigation coordinates, phone calls, financial data, and media communications that affect our everyday lives. In remote theaters, from the rugged terrains of Afghanistan to ships at sea, our warfighters must take care of business far away from the reaches of cell phone towers and other land-based communications infrastructures. They depend on reliable satellites for communications and navigation, reconnaissance and surveillance, and weather forecasting. Protecting satellites is clearly imperative for the warfighter's safety and mission success, but also for maintaining business as usual for the rest of society. Yet today, U.S. satellites are vulnerable to destruction by threats that include lasers, anti-satellite weapons, and electronic warfare. Once an adversary fixes radar on a satellite, that vehicle becomes a tracked target that can potentially be attacked. The first step in protecting a satellite is detecting when it's targeted by radar. Radar warning receivers offer the first line of satellite defense, providing the situational awareness needed for these vehicles to take preventive measures, such as an evasive maneuver or countermeasures. But until now, this vital functionality could only be provided with analog crystal video, intermediate frequency modulation equipment, which burdens the vehicle with excessive size and weight. By producing the first digital receiver using monobit sampling, BAE Systems has managed to make significant reductions to the receiver's size, weight, and power. Whereas a breadbox-sized unit would be required for an analog unit, BAE Systems has consolidated its radar warning receiver to a single board, lightening the payload by 50 pounds and reducing power by 40 watts. This single board solution lowers costs, reduces the payload footprint, allows easy integration, and improves receiver performance. BAE Systems radar warning receiver's instantaneous multiband detection covers the frequencies used by a wide range of threats and communicates with the host satellite's computer via the vehicle's command and data handling system. The satellite's computer can then initiate appropriate protective measures to defend against potential attack. The radar warning receiver is the latest in a line of advanced threat detection products pioneered by BAE Systems. Other game-changing electronic warfare technologies innovated by BAE Systems include the digital EW suite for the F-22A Raptor and F-35 Lightning, the radar warning receiver for the F-15, and the fiber optic towed decoy for the FA-18 Super Hornet. Radar warning receiver, the small, affordable, low-power, single-card solution for satellite protection. Working through its Space Systems and Electronics business area, BAE Systems is now bringing affordable, breakthrough threat detection to satellites.